Hello everyone and welcome back to our lecture series on ISO 22163. Today we will be focusing on the scope of ISO 22163, which outlines the boundaries and applications of this standard within the rail sector. To begin, let's understand what we mean by the scope of ISO 22163. The scope benefits the extent and applicability of the quality management system requirements is specified in the standard. It is essential for organizations to understand this to effectively implement the standard and ensure all relevant processes and areas are covered. Applicability of ISO 22163. ISO 22163 is designed for organizations in the rail industry, including manufacturers, maintenance providers, and suppliers of rail products and services. This standard applies to any company involved in the design, development, production, and maintenance of railway equipment and components. This can include everything from locomotives and carriages to signaling systems and infrastructure components. The scope of ISO 22163 covers several key areas. Quality Management Systems (QMS), establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving a QMS specific to the rail sector. Customer Requirements, understanding and meeting the needs and expectations of customers. Regulatory Compliance, ensuring compliance with all relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards. Process Management, managing processes and interrelations to achieve efficient and effective outcomes. Risk Management, identifying and mitigating risk related to quality and safety. Supplier Management, ensuring that externally provided processes, products, and services meet specified requirements. Scope Statements, clearly define what is included. Identify who is affected by or involved in the QMS. Specify the physical and operational boundaries within which the QMS operates. Note any areas or requirements of ISO 22163 that are not applicable and justify these exclusions. Benefits of defining the scope. Defining the scope of ISO 22163 brings several benefits. Clarity and focus. Provides a clear understanding of what the QMS covers, helping to focus efforts and resources effectively. Improved communication. Enhances communication within the organization and with external parties by clearly outlining the extent of the QMS. Regulatory Alignment. Ensures alignment with regulatory and customer requirements, avoiding potential compliance issues. Efficient Resource Allocation. Helps in the efficient allocation of resources by clearly identifying the areas that need attention. Developing your scope. To develop a robust scope statement for ISO 22163, identify all processes. Map all processes involved in delivering your rail products and services. Involve key stakeholders to understand their requirements and expectations. Assess risk associated with different processes and determine their impact on quality and safety. Ensure that the scope statement is documented clearly and communicated to all relevant parties. In conclusion, the scope of ISO 22163 is critical for defining the boundaries and applicability of your quality management system within the rail sector. A well-defined scope helps ensure that all relevant processes are covered, regulatory requirements are met, and customer expectations are consistently fulfilled. As we proceed, we'll explore more detailed aspects of implementing and managing your QMS in accordance with ISO 22163. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or need further clarification on defining the scope of ISO 22163, please feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.